As this early July Sunday slips away from us, I just want to show you in this really short video just the greenery of Okies Eden. How everything has just bloomed. I mean, look at the cucumbers. They're climbing the trellis. The flowers, the bees have been in the trellis. The pumpkin patch, look at the pumpkins and the potatoes over there growing. This is why I like gardening so much. It's peaceful. You can hear the birds in the background. I'm not going to overlay any music on this, but just look at this pumpkin patch. I mean, how beautiful. Honestly. Look at the apple trees from this direction. Look at just look at the greenery. That comes from a tiny seed, people. That just always amazes me, that all of this from a tiny seed. I hope you watch the rest of the video. I'm going to be harvesting the cucumbers, looking at some pepper plants, and just discussing some of the pumpkin plant stuff. So here it is in all of its glory. Look at the size of these leaves. The runners are over 12 feet long. I mean, it's just beautiful. You guys have a great Sunday evening. Well, everybody, here I am, knee deep in the pumpkin patch. This is the pumpkin that I've been really liking the size, how it's been growing so fast. Remember, I've been taking my picture like that, and how much bigger it is now. Well, its brother or sister is right next door to it. Well, that one's a little, this one here is fatter. I mean, this one here is definitely double C thick. This one here is longer, but this one really caught up. This is leading me to believe that maybe this is the size these will max out at, which is pretty cool, because these will really make good little jack-o'-lanterns for Halloween. Well, these are not going to make Halloween. They're going to be done early, but yeah, that's a really good size. So we're going to see what's going to happen and how these finish out. So kind of with all the rain we've been having, I've been waiting to see how these are going to produce. Oh, there's one right there. Hopefully that came through. There's a nice one right there. That's it on that vine. Switched over to the other side, and holy guacamole. Look at that. Oh. That's a twofer. That one is not ready yet. We're supposed to be getting more rain and it's going to be humid. So I'm letting that one go. And then here's something that's cool about Tabasco peppers. Tabasco peppers tend to grow upwards. So you see the little pepper, these little hot peppers, Tabasco. Hopefully that comes through. But yeah, look at them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. At least 18, unless I missed some. I weeded out my patch of asparagus, so you can see the ferning process. So those roots are going to be very healthy. My bell peppers and pimentos are still producing, but they're just not big enough to pick. So with that said, that'll do it for this part of the video.